Is precision and efficiency the cornerstone of your ophthalmic practice? Then it's time to take your practice to new heights with GoodX software. Gain rapid insights into your patient's medical history through our customizable patient dashboard. Have instant access to your patient's script and medical history. Chart necessary readings on customizable graphs, such as best corrected or uncorrected visual acuity, intraocular pressure, and so much more. The possibilities are endless. Completing your clinical documentation has never been easier with our Eye Evaluation 2 form. With this form, you can capture test results, draw visual indications, and upload external images securely stored on our ISO 27001 certified servers, ensuring the highest level of patient confidentiality. Moreover, this form seamlessly incorporates auto-refraction values and keratometry readings, and offers the flexibility for manual entry or automatic synchronization to the Eye Vitals section with the machine integration function. This functionality extends to refractor and lens meter machines as well. Diacom machines are also integrated through Harmony and GoodX, and can be used to instantly access high-quality imaging with comprehensive views through your GoodX system. Your diagnosis and treatment considerations are pulled through automatically from the values entered into the form. Even medication suggestions will display, which can automatically be added to a script with just the click of a button. Create tasks, procedure items, and follow-ups all from this screen, streamlining processes in your practice. In fact, you can also access your theatre manager and make theatre bookings in only a few simple steps. Even billing becomes a breeze with automatic code additions. Our innovative Eye Eval 2 form is fully customizable, where you have complete control of everything from fields to buttons, putting you in control. After a consultation is complete, you can print or directly send a clinical letter to your patient, whether for referral or even progress report purposes. Keep your patients in the loop every step of the way. Prioritizing self-care and managing stress from extensive admin tasks is as vital as caring for your patients. With GoodX, we do the admin heavy lifting for you. Seeing is believing. Contact us today for a demo and revolutionize your practice.